right, here we go. This is a box of the finished CLAPTRAP book that was sent via FedEx to us from the printer. This is the first time that I'm going to see an actual printed copy of the book. The remainder of the books will be shipped starting this week from China. It'll take quite a while to get here, but we should be getting it by the middle of December at the latest, and be getting them shipped out to everybody. So let's take a look and see how things look. So this is 16 copies of the book. The printer is located in Hong Kong. Looks like they packed them up very nicely here. So I'm gonna have to get a pair of scissors to cut this tape off here. Well packed up. Have to very carefully cut this stuff so we don't score any of the book covers. This printing company also prints my Mad Art caricature book, and they do a great job of packing, so I'm not surprised that packed up. Here we go. This is it. Nice glossy cover. Nice color. All right, so we've done our surprise unboxing video, and I thought we'd just do a quick little kind of flip through the book here to show you some of the interior stuff. We're not going to give away too many things. Everybody's waited so long for this book. Des and I want you to be surprised and delighted when you actually get to open it up and read it for real. So, but we'll give you a little peek at a couple of new things. So the hardcover is nice and tight. This blank page here is the tip-in page that I've talked about on some of our updates that I can do sketches on. It's a nice stock that's put in there especially for that. It's a half title page, full title page, a little dedication, table of contents. Des and I wrote a couple of introductions to the book, and then here's a sneak peek of a parody that you haven't seen yet. This one opens the book, The Blues Brothers. A lot of fun, a lot of background things to look for in all this whole book, and especially a lot of these splash pages. But we're just going to page through here real quick. Here's Star Wars. That's the Rise of Skywalker parody. That's the first one that we did. Most people have seen that. A lot of you guys got the PDF of the entire parody as one of your perks, but this is the first one that we did. And then this was a sneak peek that we showed you earlier, this little Godfather gag. So the parodies, I believe there's 92 pages of parodies. Of the 12 parodies make up 92 pages of this 124 page book. There's about 20, like I think 20 or 21 pages of extra features like this. Some of it's just text. Des wrote some very funny stuff. Some of it is little one-page gags. Some of it are two-page gags. So you'll see that sprinkled around. This is the splash page for Typo. This is one of the Psycho parody. This is one of only two pieces done completely in black and white in the book. But this is one of my favorites as far as the art goes. I really enjoy doing the black and white style. And I'll page through this real quick here. Let's see, I marked a couple pages. So here's the Goodfellas splash that we showed you a sneak peek of there. Lots of more fun stuff here. Don't want to give it away. What else we got? Oh, here's the Shawshank Redemption. I'm very happy with how the color turned out. There's always a little bit of a color shift between digital color that you see on the screen and what you see in print. And but this company also prints my Mad Art of Caricature books, so I'm familiar with how they handle the color and what to expect between what I've done via the computer for digital color and what ends up in print. And so the colors turned out pretty much like I expected. You know, all the colors in the book are very nice. Let's see, we got another quick sneak peek here of something. Oh, so here's another of so here's some more pages, right? Lots of fun stuff. Des wrote a very funny index. This is something you're going to want to spend some time looking over because it's a hoot. And we get another little surprise thing in the back, some thank yous, and another little surprise, and that's it. 124 pages of craziness, and it's coming your way soon.